James Version.
1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 39.
A wife is bound by a law as long as her husband lives, but if her husband dies, she is at liberty to be married to whom she wishes only in the Lord. The importance of spiritual unity in the Christian marriage. According to the Christian faith, marriage is not just a worldly relationship but a secret covenant before God. That is why the Bible teaches that Christians should marry within the same faith. So there is unity in faith, worship, and decisions. God's words clearly shows that spiritual unity is essential because difference in faith can lead to conflict and weaknesses. In 2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 14 it says not to be unequal yoke with unbelievers, and in 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 39 it states that marriage should be in the Lord. This is not about hating other but about protecting and strengthening one spiritual life, because when both share the same faith, the God is filled with blessing, peace, and God presence. New King James Version.
2 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 14.
Do not be unequally yoked together with unbelievers. For what fellowship has righteousness with lawlessness, and what communion has light with darkness?